So here we go, y'all. Hey, we'll get you back to your commercial in just a minute, but boy, do we have an amazing song about classroom design. Kasey, what do you know about this song?
Last I heard, it's from the Kid Rockers, and I can't
Oh.
wait to rock.
You know what they say, don't you?
What's that?
They say, we will teach you. Let's push play on that. Let's hear that song right now.
Everybody in radio land out there, let's hear a. We will teach you. We will teach you. Go, OC.
Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise. Playing in the hall's gonna be educated someday. You got a mask on your face. Welcome to my place. Come on in, we've designed you a space. Singing, we will
teach you. We will reach you. Buddy, here's your tech, sitting at your desk. Inspiration on the walls, giving smiles to all. You're surrounded by books, stations and nooks, scissors and glue all over the place. We will teach you.
Sing it.
We will reach you. Yeah.
The end.
Oh,
The lag sucked, but whatever.
it was good. It was good. Great start.
So, Slow-Mo the Penguin just ended there. So, we'll get y'all back to that amazing commercial you were watching shortly. John, have you heard about this teacher tech-a-lot group?
Heard about it. I rock to it all the time. You didn't hear my car bumping as I was rocking up to Teacher Tech-a-Lot, the new rap group. It's amazing.
You
Have you heard
know, that new single they've got out, right?
What's the name of it, Kasey?
Last I heard, Teacher Got Tech. You ready to hit play on
Say
this?
what? Say what?
Teacher Got Tech.
All right.
What? Play.
Oh my gosh, admin, look at that class. It is so virtual. It looks like one of those digital learning classrooms. But you know, who understands those 21st century teachers?
They only like them because they're always on technology. I mean, it's no social media or snaps. I can't believe it's so popular. It's like out there. I like technology and I cannot lie. And you know the teachers can't deny. But when a kid walks in with their head in space and a cell phone in your face, you get mad. That's about it.
Holly, you sounded just like that girl. Oh my God.
Sorry, Holly.
And so, team, are y'all ready? We're going to lead you into it.
All
right, here we go. What'd you say? Were you being disrespectful?
Never.
I'll tell you. What song are you thinking of, Kasey, then?
I was going Respect.
Oh, my bad, my bad. You know, speaking of that, there's a new teacher song out right now, Respect. It shows no disrespect. Let's hear that right now, and click play.
When you speak, baby, you got it. When you want to hear, you know I got it. All I'm asking is for a little respect, and I'm teaching just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. I ain't gonna ignore you in the class. Ain't gonna tell you you're wrong. All I'm asking is for a little respect in the classroom, in the classroom, in the classroom, in the classroom.
Oh. So I am definitely going to wake up in the middle of the night and be like, in the classroom. I love these little movements right there. Just a little bit. Woo.
Hey, John,
Yes,
that
Casey.
about?
I don't know, Casey. I've just got so much on my mind. You know, I've been worried so much about creating a collaborative atmosphere in class. I don't know what to do.
No, last I heard, there's a song to address that. You know,
Really?
those teaching chicks have got a new one out.
The teaching chicks, they're back.
They're back.
What's the name of the song?
Don't worry, be happy.
Awesome.
Here's a little song I wrote. Might want to sing it.
Don't worry.
Work together. In class, you may have some trouble. When you don't work together, you make it double. Don't worry. Work together. Ain't no place to call your own. Come together, we'll work as one. Don't worry. Work together. Teacher says your work is late. Work together
to get it straight. Don't worry. Work together.
Ooh. Work together now. I did put on my musical thing that I am like the bottom of the bottom, so just
Okay,
That's fabulous.
Oh, that's
yeah, it was bad.
no. I was just thinking if I'd have been doing the ooh, they'd been like, ooh.
Yes, my kids would have been like, ooh.
So our final team, Team 5, it looks like, I'm just guessing here because I didn't get to go into this team, but is it Bye Bye Bye?
It's Hi.
But is it
Teachers. Yeah.
by who?
By the teachers.
What's the parody from?
From NSYNC. Bye NSYNC.
That's what I was like. Bye 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 Bye. Yeah.
All
Did
right,
y'all
by
get
the
that?
what? Sorry, I missed it.
NSYNC.
Teachers.
The teachers.
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 All right.
Ha, ha, ha.
Here we go. So Team 5, the final team. They said they were going to be the best since they're last. But well, hey, Kasey, how you doing?
So good, John. Good to see you. Hi.
It is ha. You know what that makes me think of? It makes me think of a hot new song out right now that talks about attendance. Have you heard that group?
Those teachers. They're awesome.
No need to say bye, bye, bye. We say hi to this song.
If you go to school every day, you're probably gonna get an A. Hey, student, come on time. You don't wanna be late. You're gonna make your teacher afraid. So always be at school. So you are not a fool. Now it's time you get here. I know that I can't take no more. It ain't no lie. I wanna see you in that door, kids. Hi.